You're listening to Nicole Yardley. Here are some of the accents I can do. The British aristocrat.
One of the things people don't realise about the Queen is that she's an absolutely brilliant gambler. She's backed the last 4 winners of the Derby.
And here's the African American.
Girl, I have tried everything. He's just a pickle-head, stubborn man.
I can do the French diva.
To be one of today's top supermodels, you need style, beauty, and that elusive je ne sais quoi. Do you have what it takes?
And here's the Cockney accent.
All I know about Peter Rabbit is that his father got put in a pie and got eaten by Mrs. McGregor.
And here's the Southern American.
I love my president, but I also love my Smith & Wesson.
I also can speak Japanese, German, French, and several other languages.
日本語のはとても難しいですね。
Also, ich war in Deutschland vor 3 Monaten, aber ich war so dick, ich habe zu viel Weizenbier getrunken.
Pardonnez-moi, monsieur, je voudrais du café.
Hey, Roma.
You've been listening to the sounds of Nicole Yardley. Looking forward to hearing from you.